this guy right here, Calvin Abueva. Eh, syempre yung counterpart sa kabila, si Cliff Hodge. At yung counterpart nila, yung flooring.
Double team, kicks it out to Paul Lee. Paul attacks. It's going to be fouled and gets the bucket as well.
Finally, Paul Lee scoring his first bucket in this ball game.
Still one of the best in the PBA to draw contact and complete the basket. Paul Lee completes the three-point play, inching Magnolia closer. Lee, 15-foot jumper, gets the lucky bounce.
Paul Lee very aggressive to start this ball game.
And Magnolia now ahead.
Oh! Dami ng stops na itong Meralco Bulls. I mean, itong hot shots. Look at that move by Paul Lee attacking the basket and spinning and finishing with that.
To Lee. Lee gets by Black, puts it up and in!
What a blow by Paul Lee. Very simple move going to the basket. He just read the defense of Aaron Black. Kita niya, wide open yung sa left side, oh. He attacked the left side. From the free throw area, make that 2 out of 2. That's all you have to do.
Yeah. Over to Abueva. Abueva attacks, goes all the way. Fouled.
He just throw his body. Oh, kailangan mo ng mga ganyan players.
During game number 3, that's why he wasn't exactly in his right mental space. We go to Calvin. Calvin puts it up, then draws the contact. He's going to be fouled there on...
Talagang isip niya, attack the basket. Attack everyone, actually.
Attack. This is something, you know, like players like Calvin, Hodge, even if they don't have high numbers and points. If you're just joining us, Paul Lee looked like he hurt his ankle in the third. As Calvin hits a tough shot there.
Sasagasaan ka talaga eh. Yung galawan na ito ni Calvin Abueva, kung hindi ka tatabi, tatamaan ka eh. Pero ka, masyado ka daw malapit.
Pocket pass to Sanggalang. Here's Paul Lee for 3! Woo! Massive shot there by Paul Lee at the corner.
Bigat ng tira na yun.
Start to smell game number 5 as Paul Lee puts it up and in!
Ganda naman ang ginawa na doon. Counter move by Paul Lee. Simple jab to the left and then went to his right. One line. Make that 3 for 3.
And there you have it. The Magnolia Hotshots live to fight another day.